Hello everyone, dental zirconia teeth mostly focus on translucency and strength. However, dental zirconia materials on the market are always such materials. With lower strength but higher translucency for anterior teeth, or higher strength but lower translucency for crowns and bridges. Is there any good matching zirconia disc that can balance good strength and high translucency for full arches? I think Topzir Biotech's 3D Pro Multilayer Dental Zirconia Disc can be the best one to balance both. I am Alex from Topzir Biotech. Today we will take a detailed look at our 3D Pro Multilayer Zirconia Disc. 3D Pro Multilayer sinters at a peak temperature of 1500 degrees. Crafted with precision, it is a state-of-the-art gradient multilayer, expertly blending translucency, strength, and color. It uses 5 different types of zirconia powder, including 3YPSE, 4YPSE, 5YPSE, etc. With 9 zirconia layers, it offers gradient strength, ranging from 1,200 megapascals at the bottom to 690 megapascals at the incisal edge, and translucency that varies from 43% to 49%. It comes with Vita 16 colors, plus bleach 4 colors, transitioning seamlessly from dark to light, imitating the natural appearance of teeth. This ensures it can be used to create various dental restorations, such as full crowns, bridges, implants, and so on. 3D Pro Multilayer is the ideal choice for exceptional dental restoration results. Thank you for considering our advanced 3D Pro Multilayer Dental Zirconia Disc. See you next time!